Working here at Niger City Primary School, this is their convenience, supposed toilet, but I can assure you, it is inconvenience. Let's go and see the toilet where children of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and years of 11 and 12 go to toilet. And many times and our budget to go everywhere, but after the budgeting and all that, nothing is done. Nobody cares how these youngsters survive. Let's go to the toilet. Let's go in. Go in. Go on. Come on, see. Come on, see the toilet. This is Niger City Primary School, Fege, Onitsha, Anambra State. It's terrible. You can see this one. And the roof is open as well. It's leaking. Here. Jesus. And there is another toilet. This one is for nursery school. Come and see. Nursery toilet. Come and see. Come. This is nursery toilet. For nursery purpose. Nursery toilet. Have you seen? Nursery toilet. Unbelievable. In Anambra State, Fege, Onitsha, in 2021. Nursery toilet. Niger City Primary School. Unbelievable. Let's go out there and see. Let's look at the environment. You can see how dirty it is. The headmistress is concerned. Very much concerned. It's unbelievable. It's difficult to behold, but it's happening. Niger City Primary School. Let's read. Diocese of Niger, Anglican Communion, Niger City Primary School. 1 and 2, Fege, Onitsha South Local Government, Local Government Education Authority, and the motto is honesty, discipline, and hard work. There is no honesty. A little bit of discipline. Hard work, I don't know. It's unbelievable. It's terrible. But we are going to do something, I must assure you. I am Okulora reporting to you the terrible, the bad state, the poor state, the infectious state of Niger City Primary School, Fege, in Anambra State. Look at the toilet here. You can see, nursery toilet. Unbelievable. That is the most shocking aspect of it. Under the terrible toilet, there is another toilet called nursery toilet. So, when you have a baby, 3, 4, 5, 6, look at where they peep under to get comfort in terms of convenience. It's not convenient, it's inconvenient. And it's a shame. It's unbelievable. Thank you very much wherever you are watching from. We are going to come back and we must do something. It's very, very necessary that we do something for the sake of leaders of tomorrow. My brother who brought me here was actually a student of this school. He came back over 20 years later to see edifice, mansion, ultra-modern facility. But what we are seeing here is unbelievable. He needs to talk to you. He needs to say something. He was once a student of this school. Brother, come and say something to the people of Anambra State.
Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. My name is Mr. Azubike Samuel Omenwa. I'm from Umuchu in Agata Local Government area, Anambra State. Actually, this is my school. I was born and brought up in this area, and this is my school. And after years, I came back from Norway to come and check how the school is going, how I can help in any way to pay the school fees of the less privileged. It's a shockable thing that I came here and see the dustbin, the toilets, and when I saw the kids washing this toilet, I told them to go away from this place because they are almost sick. They are sick. They have to take them to hospital for proper check. So that's why I asked Okurora for assistance, because calling the government, they cannot do anything. They cannot do anything because if our government should be watching the kids, the leaders of tomorrow, to be reading and studying in this type of environment, then tomorrow what will be their fate? I will assure you that 90% of the students here are sick with infection. They have to take them to proper check. They have to do it because that's the responsibility of the government to take care of them, but nobody is doing anything. That's why I bring Okurora to come and see by himself, and whatever we can do and try our best to help the leaders of tomorrow, to help my school, because I will call it my school, because I started here. So that's why I brought him to come and see by himself.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is the house that built it. So whatever you're going to do for the home that molded your beauty, we are going to do that. And for the medical check, it's important as well, but we need to change the face of this toilet. We need to do that. We need to put something more than there. And also, I must appreciate the headmistress for giving us the audience, giving us a tour of the dilapidated state of Niger City Primary School, Fege, Onitsha, Anambra State. Good afternoon.
Second, we have answered prayer because now this issue, I've been telling it to God for a long time. Since in their school, I came into this school in 2009 as a teacher. So in 2017, they made me headmistress and put me in the afternoon of this school. 2019, they brought me to the morning. So by the grace of God, and for the fact now when Kiga medical man, all one of financial challenges, you know, move is not your 100. So I'll go phone, go around the school, your phone, I bet opposing happy. So, man, issue of toilet, that us enough here before us, not the former cancer toilet. Issue of toilet, and the politics are there 290. Then I try, see, I in a hand, I get in 2 weeks to do it. One that day, so I assume na here may go budget, then I have, I don't know exactly, that's 2 months. So I didn't know very happy. No more catch you well conscience. Now 1 year later, trouble can be the future generation. I carry on. So I'm not saying that you I had a lot of challenges initially. Last year, 2020, when I had a permanent teacher on a school that I retired for some time. School able to also head news with permanent teacher, now teacher, now classroom, now teacher. One way PTA teachers, I'm a challenge of paying them. Now, what I can see on a class 2-4. Makam aware of number ya cover classes. When on them, I have Manona Hana Kungo his. So, mana this year, Chukuzale, Bella Kampukwane. This year, ES, first meeting I met with ES, Ebending HMC. Same again. Niger City, busy hand class, or the hammer. I say about say how they do some teachers. So all my schools are holidays teachers. So as of January, I'm going to don't know when man now about January, so now we're going to 6 teachers. 5, including me, all of 6. So I was here PTA 5 PTA teachers to make it. School reduced, go one of them 2 to 3 classes. When I put out 1 classes, do to one lecture. Parents may withdraw. They put on a compound, they bear my 3 schools. Put on a charm, my name, Onyanka, Olo, Matia, unprivileged. So, for the withdraw, and God has come to revive this. If not for anything, for each hour of Yagudi. So, I praise God.
It's okay. So, as individuals, I know your government as individuals, I'm a quacker, I get in the Gomania from over the ventilation, I do no fans. In the Gomania, my fan, I do which are basic things. Basic things.
And the convenience are the most important thing.
I get it, I feel now. I can assure you that. The government, we can do it.
So, done this year. they have budgeted some money through the Education Commission, Diocese of the Niger, that the school should be renovated. Madam Bossy, I did a meeting for it. Now, see, the renovation or renovation, like we don't have toilet. I said, I have the toilet. So, now here could the main building.
And mommy came to school.
Government. Man, I'm going to a mission farm.
Okay.
So, government in Mali. When I hand over, Peter will be handed over to school. I hand the column over. Man, I hand it over for moral aspect of it.
All right. Well, it belongs to government.
It belongs to government.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So when you look at the classrooms, there is no air conditioner, no fan, not enough ventilation, and many students are there. They are young students, as you can see. No fan, no electricity, no proper or adequate ventilation here. There is none, and some of them are wearing nose masks under heat, under hot sun. Let's go to the back and see. Everyone, this is back of Niger City Primary School, Onitsha. This is exactly what the students breathe. This is the classroom. They are open and our children are breathing disease. That is why my friend is emphasizing on tests on infections. A lot of students here will probably be infected. Look at the environment. And there is a police station here. Away from the school, this whole environment is hopeless. I must use the word hopeless. This is back of Niger City Primary School, as you can see. Look at the classrooms. Look at the police station. An infrastructure belonging to Nigerian government. This one to state government, Anambra. As you can see, what word do I use? Hopeless. It is hopeless, I must tell you. Back of Niger City Primary School, Fege, Onitsha in Anambra State. Unbelievable. You just have to believe. Thank you very much.